Hey everyone, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because today I'll show you how to get ChatGPT Plus free for 1 month. Let's begin. First, connect your VPN to a Vietnam server. Then create a new ChatGPT account. Since I already have an account, I'll simply sign in. Next, copy the link from my Telegram channel and open it in your browser. As you can see, it offers a 1-month ChatGPT Plus trial. However, don't press the subscribe button yet. Before continuing, enable desktop mode in your browser. Then tap the bottom right corner and choose your actual country, just like I'm selecting Germany here. After that, disable desktop mode and enter your information, including your name, address, and country. Then choose your preferred payment option and complete the checkout process. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also explain how to turn off automatic renewal. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see that the 1-month ChatGPT Plus trial has been activated successfully. Head over to Settings and check the billing section to confirm that your Plus membership is active. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to share it with your friends. I've also included a complete guide for disabling auto-renewal in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.